Hi guys, Adele here from Go Balic. Welcome back to my channel. It is September 2022 and today we are at Iberostar Selection Bavaro and we're in a section called Coral Level. You're looking at a pool access junior suite room with a king bed. Here is the big cell of this junior suite pool access room. You are on the first level and there is a pool right outside your patio, making it easy for a morning dip or a night swim. On your patio, you'll find 2 chairs and a center table and a drying rack. Here is another view of the patio and the walkway out to the pool. In your step-down living area, there is the most comfortable, conveniently placed couch and a chair. A nice touch here is the fresh plant, and in the corner there you'll see incense. When you walk into the room after check-in, you'll see a bag from Coral Level with 2 towels in it. The beach bag is for you to keep as a gift. The king-size bed has a thin comforter sheet on it and 2 blankets. The 2 blankets are really convenient because if you want to take an afternoon nap, you could just throw it on yourself and take a snooze, or you could take one of the throw blankets and take a nap on this couch. You have a large TV here that you can't quite pivot for a comfortable view from the bed, but not the end of the world. I'm happy to report that Iberostar has put the details back in their room that were missing during the peak of COVID. So what I mean by that is the cappuccino machine and the snacks. Upon check-in, this room smelled fresh, the temperature was cool, and the TV turned on automatically. Down here you will find a mini fridge. We have requested it to be stocked with our preferred drinks, which is Sprite and Coke. There's a couple canned sodas in there, not too much. This is not included. But here at Iberostar, they are for the wave of change. So they have these refillable bottles with water stations and ice stations along the grounds, and that is how you have your water here. I would recommend bringing a filtered water bottle for each person of your party, so if you have some insecurities about whether or not the water is filtered properly, you could shake those fears. I'm not going to be able to take you into the bathroom, but there is a stand-up shower with the larger containers of body wash, shampoo and conditioner in the shower, and lotion and hand soap by the sink. There is a large rain shower head and a handheld. In your closet you will find umbrellas, bathrobes, and a safe. We've been to Iberostar Selection Cancun in the Coral Level section, and I would actually recommend this room more than that room, despite not having a beachfront plot here. This is a window actually that leads to the side of the building, and it is great because it welcomes extra sunlight during the day. If you have any questions about the room or the resort, I'm happy to answer it. Thank you for watching.